Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add border to third page in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we create some page in this document. Press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then zoom out this document to see the all page. Now we can see here many page inserted. We click the last page and go to the layout menu, click the break option, then select next page. Then click the next page or last page, then go to the design menu and click page border option. Then select a border. Then click the apply to drop down menu and select this section, then press OK. Now we can see here added last page border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.